Hey guys, Marianne here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and I'm really excited to show you guys what we have for sale here at Autohaus of Naples. And it's a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon 6x6, which is the only one available for sale in the United States. And here is a quick preview video of the way it runs. Okay, so the gray 6x6 that you see in this video is currently available. The sunburst yellow will be available in about September, like I mentioned, and then this one in particular will probably be about a year, I would think. So if you want to put a deposit down and hold your spot in line and or get one started for you in particular, give us a call, 239-263-8500, and you can always find us on the web. It's autohausnaples.com. House is H-A-U-S. Again, it's 239-263-8500, and my name is Marianne, and I will see you guys in the next one, and I will also be updating you along the way on this project. So be sure to follow us on social media, like us on Facebook, and and subscribe, because this way you can keep up with these short videos I'm going to do as we build these projects.